So here we have the Husky Weatherbeater floor liners for any car or SUV. So this comes with the two liners up front and the one in the rear. So this is a custom fit specific to your vehicle, and mine just happens to be a 2016 Subaru Outback. So when they say perfect edge-to-edge fit, they are not kidding. These things drop in and fit like a glove, and with the hundreds of little sharp spikes in the back, it does not shift at all when it connects to the rug. It has a very deep pan-like feel, which captures tons of snow, mud, rain. There's never no issue or fear of any overspill whatsoever. It's gone through winters and summers and still stays in shape. And it's super easy to clean. You just pull them out, take a scrub brush to them, loosen up the dirt and hose it off, kick them around and throw them back in. It's really full coverage protection, bulletproof. I will probably get rid of the car before these liners ever go. They'll probably last longer than the car, and they're guaranteed for life. I could see how they could back that up, because these things look long lasting, they take a beating, and there's no doubt in my mind that these are going to be around for a very long time.